All right, what's going on, everybody? So today we are at an indoor car meet in Houston. It's a modern classic. That's what they call it. Car event here. It's nice to be in the air conditioning, but basically what a modern classic is, from my understanding, is anything from 1980 to 2000. So we're gonna walk around and check this place out. Escort RS. This thing's sweet.
You know, I've never seen an old one before. Is that used to the new ones that you see now?
Yeah.
It's a big...
Well, you know what's crazy though? Callaway, like Callaway Corvettes and stuff.
Yeah.
Scott was telling me, and I did some research. They actually, Callaway was messing with these things.
For real?
Yeah. I don't know if this is, I don't know how to tell them apart, but yeah, Callaway was tuning these things. Dude, look at these wheels, man. They're so sick.
Oh, yeah.
They almost look like slips, don't they?
Yeah.
I don't know if that's what they are. I don't know.
No, they're not.
I doubt it, but they look like the slip,
real deal.
the slipstreams. Viper, man, this thing's nice. Color, God. Dude, this color looks so good in this light. It's sick. Oh yeah. Beautiful 944. FC. Damn, look at this Typhoon. Dude, look how clean this thing is, man.
You should get one for Jasmine.
Hell yeah. I think these are the ZR1 wheels, if I'm not mistaken. I mean, they're a Corvette something. That's clean, man. Dang. Nice. Rudy, look at the porno red interior.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. I like the dual overhead cam plate. That's tight. 3000 GT, VR4. The owner told me it had like 48,000 miles, I believe it was, on it. So mint. Nice Porsche. Beautiful Z32. So when you have a red Z, you gotta have the red 300ZX Hubble car, dude. I bet you Mauricio knows him. Man. Sierra Cosworth. Man, look, it has a real tow hook. It's not zip tied on or whatever to the grill. Very nice. Do you approve?
I approve. I saw that.
Man, this thing is nice, dude.
Look at that. This dude detail right here, bro.
Yeah, look at the detail on this thing.
Original.
Wow.
That is clean.
That's so cool.
Dude,
It's so clean.
bro. Look at the firewall. Oh my god, look at this. I'm sorry, that's just like it's
Yeah, the attention to detail on this thing is crazy. Wow. Neat. So this is basically the same thing as the Escort, right? It's just in a sedan?
Yeah, so what they did is when they built the Escort, they took the floor pan of this car and the drivetrain of the car and basically shortened it where it would be roughly the same size as the Lancia Delta.
Right.
So
Oh,
if you
okay.
actually put the Delta and the Escort together, they're roughly the same size and the same wheelbase.
Yeah.
But it was based on distance, floor pan, and the drivetrain.
Nice.
Because that was like the fastest way they can get a competitive rally car developed in 3 years.
Right. El Camino. This thing's crazy. This thing's cool, dude. Nice Corvette. Kind of the oddball here, but beautiful car. They don't discriminate.
Yeah, she's a driver, not the reason we're not a point scorer. But a nice one. We do charity work.
God, all the colors look so good in here, man. Like the lighting. This thing's badass.
Old school BBSs.
Yeah. This thing's badass, man. I like it.
But you showed him, you go, oh, this is so.
I've seen this car before. This thing is pretty cool. Super rare. I want to say it's based on, I think it's based on like a Pontiac Fiero like body, if I'm not mistaken. I've seen it before. Like, they didn't make many.
Well, you do that fun. It's very my old Ford Ranger because I'm carrying furniture. Oh, okay. So in theory, I thought about driving up to hey, Raymond, let's get a second.
Well, it's probably a Spoon K-Series.
Yes, that's what I was thinking. That's cool.
This thing's pimp. Yep. K-swap. Dude, this thing is nice. Dude, it's so clean.
Amazing.
The Diablo SV, man. Need for Speed 3 Hot Pursuit, man, on PC. That's what I played. That's what got me into it. So sick. I think one of these is like the only yellow car I would own. Like, it would have to be yellow with the black decals, like on Need for Speed.
No, first time. I think it's the first time seeing it. Because you told me about this one.
Yeah, he comes out a lot. Yeah, you can feel the heat. I don't know if I'd want to work on it though. I'm leaning over. Beautiful M3. Sick. Is it SC 300 or 400? I've always had a soft spot for these. I almost bought one years ago. Okay, 300. I don't know how to tell them apart other than just looking at the badge. I got a soft spot for these. This one's mint. Sick. Very nice. What's that?
Quick, bro, quick.
Oh, yeah. Very nice. $968. That's what this is. I couldn't remember. I like these wheels. M3. This old Lamborghini. God, this thing's crazy looking.
We went up there to see these.
So dry ice detailing. There's your plug. I guess that was his, right? With the Porsche, yeah. Oh yeah, let's see, dry iced. Perfect. Sum that up.